Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you fix Instagram not showing followers and following issues. So firstly, what you have to do is one basic problem solving technique is that you go to your Play Store and check if there's any update for Instagram. So in most cases an update to the app to Instagram will solve the issue. So go to your Play Store and search for Instagram and see if there's an update. If there is an update, something like this, click on it and update your app. So that's one of the troubleshooting options. And once you have already updated or there's no update for Instagram, and if it still doesn't fix the issue, what you can do next troubleshooting technique is that go to settings. So go to your settings and then search for app. Go to your app settings here, and then here search for Instagram, and then once you're on Instagram, scroll down and you'll see a storage option here. Click on storage, and here what I have to do is click on clear cache. So click on clear cache and this will clear the cache, and hopefully this should fix the issue. And that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.